Hello, Argo. Hi, happy boy. We just got back to town. See, all the windows are down. It's nice and windy, so I'm hoping you can hear me okay. Because we are at Brady Park, and I forgot my microphone because I wasn't intending to record. And dogs are not allowed in Brady Park, so this is going to have to be what our situation is. So I wanted to show, and I keep been thinking about this, and I keep not doing it because I can't come here with Argo. I wanted to show the new tugs here the U.S. Army Corps has recently procured. So, the O&M Frederick and the Shara, they've been here, I'm sure long since before I moved here. Been doing work for a long time. Here we have the RJ Pearce. That's one of the new tugs. Right there. It does have an ice rating. I don't know what the ice rating is. See, it has that like flat front there, like a pusher tug. And then we come down here, you'll see one that looks just like it. I think it's the H J Lawson. It just got here not long ago. So we'll double check that. You can see the cool little U.S. Army Corps logo. Oh, those geese are going to be yelling at us here soon. Hey, geese. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over all the squawking. Go over there with your friends and get. So there's the H J Lawson right there. They look really similar. I can't say they're identical for sure, but they sure look like it to my uneducated eye. Nice shiny new tugs. And there's another one, which I'm not seeing. Unless it's tied up on the other side of Detroit there. Sorry, Detroit. Wow. Lawson. I said that because that's the name of the other little tug. Detroit. I don't know if there's a new barges or what, but they sure do look nice, don't they? All pretty and painted. Yeah. This here, I'm pretty sure is the crane they use like to pull the bridges out and the locks and all that. Which I saw the bridge across the Mack Lock is out, so Mack Lock might be open. I was busy all Memorial Day weekend clearing trail, so I've not actually even looked at ship traffic yet. I don't see it unless they got tucked away. Maybe it's off doing work. Anyway, there we go. Even with the windows open, I don't want to leave Argo too long there. I'm sure he's fine. There's enough wind, but it's the first hot day. We're like 77 degrees. Wow. Don't even know how to deal with that. I would be wearing shorts, but I totally munched my shin yesterday clearing trail with my handsaw. So it's not bad, it just looks ugly. But here we are. And just because I always show it, there's the top of the Tower of History where the Stream Time Live camera is. Right up there. So they probably have a great view down in here if you want to see if the Tug Detroit is here or not. So we'll be back, right, Argo? We're going to go I'm going to find some ice cream and we'll see if we can find you a little treat. Yeah, dog.